Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. So today we are taking the Vanderhall out. That's why I'm in this awesome new leather jacket. Amazon special, like 60 bucks. But yeah, we're taking the Vanderhall out today. Really for the first time that we're gonna actually drive it for any decent amount of time. I've been driving it like to the store, like to Walmart and back, or to go get food at my favorite place, Buffalo Wild Wings. Shout out Shaylee. And yeah, it's awesome. But today we're gonna go for like a pretty good drive, meet up with one of the other Vanderhall owners that are here in Dallas. Probably the only other Vanderhall owner in Dallas, or at least the only one I know of. Her name is Jamie. She and her husband are gonna go ride around with his little motorcycle gang, or his motorcycle club. So anyways, we're about to jump in the Vanderhall and head on over there. It's pretty chilly. It's about 39-ish degrees outside right now. 9 o'clock in the morning, so it's gonna be a little cold. We're gonna put on the gloves, we're gonna turn up the heat, turn on the heated seats, and go for a chilly little ride. All right, see you guys on the road.
Next level. Next level.
we're back after a very long day. Oh, taillights are still on. So it does this weird thing where you gotta like put the key back in, take it back out, and then all the lights turn off. I'll get used to that eventually. But yeah, so back from a very long day, but it was good. Like we rode around wherever, I don't know, I just followed them around. Billy, Jamie's husband, his club rides pretty fast, but Vanderhall kept up pretty good. It did something a little weird. When I would get on it, after kind of sitting at idle at a light for a minute, it would kind of bog down. You have to let off, then get back on it real slow. So I don't know what that's about, but whatever, we'll figure it out. But it didn't do it very often. It was actually pretty rare. Yeah, it did great. That was about an hour to Harley-Davidson Bedford, or Hearst, or whatever it is. But it was about an hour there and an hour back, of course, and then we drove around a bunch between there over to Strokers. I'd never been to Strokers, Dallas. The Vanderhall definitely turned some heads. So anyways, definitely a successful ride today, or drive, or I don't know if I'm supposed to say drive or ride. It's titled as a motorcycle, which you would ride, but you drive it like a car, so I'm gonna say drive. Anyways, the weather was beautiful. It started out super cold, but it ended up being like 70 degrees today. I mean, it was gorgeous, and it's supposed to be like that tomorrow, so we're going to get back out in it tomorrow, too, and go watch some guys play paintball, because I don't want to play paintball, but whatever. So that's it for today. We're going to sign off for now, but please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Later.